Alright, so we're all odd to me, so Corona thing's a little different. I just got my truck in the station across. Out of my pickup. Of course, that's usually we're in Tatum, near the station, but just did it on my pickup. So anyway, crazy. These nice good heifers. I've sold these heifers for several years. Brahman cows in Braford. Woo! I've sold these cows for several years. They're coming to an HEB set. Woo! I want to see the bulls mountain. December, I believe. Woo! Woo! They're a good set of heifers, guys. They're raised, but not much. Woo! They're the real deals. They're true F1s. Woo! Nothing in here. Come on. Woo! Make a heck of a set of cows. Sent these to Baton Rouge area last year. Four sisters. Make a tremendous set of cows. I can video their sisters for several years. I sold their full sisters. Ooh. These are ultra black bulls. These mistakes are gene trust bulls. Hello, girls. Ooh. Happy Good Friday, girls. Happy Good Friday. Ooh. Nice set of cow, guys. You'll love them every day, y'all. I promise you. Woo! Come on back. Come on back. It wasn't. I want to say there was 3 of these bulls. They took 2 of them off, you know. There was 3 of these bulls out here. Woo! Never seen. I mean, just raised this kind of country. Real deal, true F1 Brafords. Woo! Woo! They're like, is there really anything in that bag? I got a bag. I got a bag. Woo! Nothing in the bag, but I do have a bag. Today's Good Friday, so I think it's, what day is it? Maybe 11th today? 10th, 11th? Whatever Good Friday is, it's that day. I have to get that count. I think there's probably 27, 30, something out there. Cows are good though. Again, raised on native grass. I've never seen any kind of creep or anything extra. They will grow to be tremendous cows that raise big stout calves that do not need to be pampered. Nice set of heifers, kid. Raised here in the brush country of South Texas, not far from the Gulf Coast, maybe 15 minutes from the water. There goes Eva. Yeah, nice. See? Just relax. We're all good here. It's Good Friday. What a deal.